Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig eating a sandwich with George. Let's start drawing. First, I draw George Pig, starting with his two eyes. Then I draw his nose and his face. I continue with his mouth that is opening. Then I draw his cheek and his ears. I draw his body, starting with his arms. Then draw his legs and his tail. Then I draw Peppa Pig sitting opposite him, starting with her eyes. I continue with her mouth. She looks very hungry. Then I draw her cheek and her nose like this. Draw his two ears. Now I draw her body. Draw two arms. Then I draw her tail. Now I'm going to draw food on the table. I draw a sandwich like this. Looks so yummy. Finally, I draw a table and two recliners for Peppa and George. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use green to paint this food box. Then I color a sandwich, light green for salad, red for tomato pieces, and dark yellow for pieces of cheese. Gray. I color George and Peppa's skin light pink. They looked very excited about this meal. Pink for their cheeks. I use blue to paint George's suit. And red for Peppa's dress. I color recliners like this. Purple. purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.